Assalamu alaikum. Organising your meals for iftar and suhoor can be helpful as it reduces the stress about what to cook every day and allows you to focus on your worship. You can either do a 30-day plan or go week by week if you're stuck for ideas. While planning, make sure you're including foods from all the main food groups for both iftar and suhoor. If you live with other adults or older teenagers, then why not delegate an iftar to them to cook? This will lighten the load and also help them appreciate the meal. Try to keep the meals simple, wholesome, and limit dishes to a maximum of 2. Don't forget to plan for snacks and fluids in between, such as fruits, which can be fresh or dried, nuts, yogurts, and plenty of water. This way, you will be well hydrated and well nourished for the next day's fast. Remember, this information is all free, so don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, or share Conscious by its Dietitian.